Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Your only control and power. Your only control and power is being your best where you are with what you have. Know it's always enough to achieve your every desire. If you can think it, you can manifest it. For every dream first started with a single thought, and it required persistence and faith to bring it to fruition. Be the best version of you and allow the universe to intervene for your greatest good. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. I believe this. Just allow the universe to open the doors. If you want to call it God, the Holy Spirit, whatever it is you want to call that energy, just allow it to open the doors and follow them through. Let go of everything. And you will get everything you desire. The true love that you desire will come to be. Everything stems from thought, and everybody has desires. I believe the true desires, the ones that burn deep down inside from love, I believe that's God, the spirit, universe, whatever you want to call that. I believe that's God. I'll just say God because that's what I like to say. But I believe it's God in there. And that's what you're here for. To experience those things that you really deep down desire. That burns deep down inside of you. Do those things. I believe that's where you're going to find happiness. And that's true love, I believe. And allow the universe to open the doors for you. It will. Everything you desire will come true. Just let go and let God open the doors and follow them. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.